Did you know that over 80% of people say scent is tied to their first impression of you? Crazy, right? It's like, if you want to make a killer first impression, you better smell amazing. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for any guy out there: men's grooming hacks that will help you smell good all the time. Trust me, smelling great can boost your confidence and totally change the way people perceive you. Let's get into it. So, let's talk about the struggle. We've all been there, waking up, going about our day, and by midday, we start to smell, well, not so fresh. Whether it's after a workout, a long day at work, or a hot summer day, it can be tough to maintain a pleasant scent. And let's be real, nobody wants to be that guy who walks into a room and leaves everyone scrambling for the door. A bad scent can impact your social interactions and even your confidence, so how do we tackle this challenge? Alright, here are some solid tips to keep you smelling fresh from dawn till dusk. First up, choosing the right cologne is key. Look for something that matches your personal style and the vibe of the occasions you attend. A good rule of thumb is to apply cologne on pulse points like your wrists, neck, and behind your ears. Next, let's not forget about hygiene. Regular showers and using a great body wash can make a huge difference. Speaking of which, consider using scented grooming products like deodorant and shampoo that can give you an extra boost of freshness. And remember, layering your scents is a game changer. Using complementary products will help you smell amazing all day long. Now, here's the ultimate grooming hack that's going to elevate your scent game to a whole new level. It's all about using a scented moisturizer or aftershave balm. Not only does it hydrate your skin, but it also locks in the fragrance from your cologne. Applying it right after you shower is ideal because your skin is worn and can absorb the scent better. Combine this with your cologne, and you'll be turning heads wherever you go. So, to wrap things up, remember these key grooming hacks: pick a cologne that suits you, maintain great hygiene, and layer your scents with moisturizers or balms. These simple tips can really transform how you smell throughout the day. I want to hear from you. What are your go-to tips for smelling great? Drop your hacks in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, check out my other grooming videos for even more insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep smelling amazing. Catch you next time.